We'll guide you through how to use Gmail for YouTube. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to gmail.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, click Create Account and follow the prompts to set up your new Gmail. Once you're in, open another tab in your browser and go to youtube.com. In the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click it, and it should automatically use your Gmail account to log you in. If it doesn't, select your Gmail account from the list or enter your Gmail credentials again. Now, you're ready to explore YouTube with your Gmail account. You can start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right to access your account settings. From there, you can customize your YouTube experience. You can create your own YouTube channel by clicking Your Channel and following the steps to set it up. This allows you to upload videos and engage with your audience. If you want to manage your subscriptions, click on Subscriptions on the left sidebar to see all the channels you're following. You can even personalize your YouTube notifications by clicking on the bell icon next to your profile. This way, you'll get alerts for new videos from your favorite channels. Using Gmail for YouTube makes managing your YouTube experience seamless and integrated with your other Google services like Google Drive and Google Calendar. It's that simple. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.